live update. Dear friends all over the continent of the world. This is a live update currently happening now as I am reporting this information for Biafrans, for international communities to understand that the Biafra Liberation Army, Biafra Defense Forces are at work. We are in a serious battle with the Nigerian terror government. They have come with their many armor tanks. They have come with many armor tanks. We are dealing with them now in Owerri. It is happening live and direct. After the battle in Okigwe, they came to Owerri. We are engaging them match to match, bullet to bullet, iron to iron. So this information is coming to you from the office of Major General Gento de Yahoo, the Papa Okigwe in general. So I want Biafrans to understand what is currently going on. That is a brutal war that is going. I want the international community to understand that the Biafra Liberation Army is at war. I want all the saboteurs to understand that the men on ground are seriously in war. The Triple General are doing everything possible means in his own capacity to make sure that the Biafra land is protected. Major General Gento de Yahoo is doing everything on his own jurisdiction, making sure that the Biafra land is protected. And all commanders that are working assiduously for the total protection, eradication of Fulanis in the heart of Biafra land. Kudos to the men on ground. Kudos, kudos. Watch and share to your loved ones. Currently, what is going on in Owerri State, we are there live and direct, dealing with this